Good day everyone. So our topic for today is all about the arithmetic sequence, arithmetic means, and the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. I am Rian Manlapaz and my co-group members is Sean Berceles and Nick A. Bentinaya. Our learning objectives for this lesson is to determine the arithmetic means and term of an arithmetic sequence and sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. Our learning targets for this lesson is to find the arithmetic mean of a given sequence, find the sum of terms of a given arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. So when we say arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence whose consecutive terms have a common difference. And when we say sequence, is a set of objects listed in a specific order, one after another, and each member or element is called term. We have two types of arithmetic sequence. We have the finite sequence and the infinite sequence. When we say finite sequence, it is a limited number of terms, and when we say infinite sequence, it has an ellipsis or a countless number of terms. So our formula for the arithmetic sequence is the a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and the difference. Finding the nth term. So we have a formula which is the a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and the difference. So our given is a sub 1 is equals to 2, the difference is 2, and the number of terms is 7. Where the a sub 1 is the first term, the difference is the common difference, n is the number of terms, so we have 7 terms. So we are looking for the a sub 7. So we're going to use the formula a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and the difference. A sub 7 is equals to 2 plus 7 minus 1 and 2, which is the difference. So 2 plus 6, because 7 minus 1 is equals to 6, and bring down 2. A sub 7 is equals to 2 plus 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So a sub 7 is equals to 14 because 2 plus 12 is equals to 14. Therefore, our a sub 7 is 14. So let's find the nth term naman. So in finding the nth term, may hinahanap tayong term. So given na yung sequence and the difference. Because to find the difference, you should subtract the a sub 2 to a sub 1. So we have the sequence 5, 10, 15, and 20. So a sub 2 minus a sub 1, which is 10 minus 5, is equals to 5. Therefore, our difference or the common difference is 5. Yung given natin is a sub 1 is equals to 5, which is the first term. The difference is 5 and the number of terms is 6 because we are looking for the 6th term. So we are looking for the a sub 6. So ayun yung formula natin. So a sub 6 is equals to 5 plus 6 minus 1 and the difference. It will be a sub 6 is equals to 5 plus 5 times 5. So 5 plus 25 because 5 times 5 is equals to 25. Therefore, 5 plus 25 is equals to 30. So our a sub 6 is 30.
What is arithmetic means? Arithmetic means are the numbers between two terms in a sequence.
Arithmetic means. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 55 and 115. Una, isusulat natin ang formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1d. Given. A sub 1 is equals to 55. A sub n is equals to 115. N is equals to 5. B, hahanapin natin ang common difference. A sub 5 equals 55 plus 5 minus 1d. Ang a sub 5 natin ay magiging 115 equals 55 plus 5d minus 1d. 115 equals 55 plus 4d. Pinag-minus ang 5 at saka 1. 115 minus 55 equals 4d. 115 minus 55 ay 60. So, magiging 60 equals 4d. And then, divide natin ang both side by 4. Cancel natin ang 4 divided by 4. Tapos, solve natin to. 60 divided by 4 is equals 15. So, ayun, nakuha na natin ng common difference. So, ngayon, makukuha na natin yung tatlong term. 70, 85, 100, at 115. Pangalawang example. Insert for arithmetic means between 11 and 31. Ito po ang paraan para makita po ay masolve po natin o mahanap ang common difference. Una, isulat ang formula a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1d. Ang given po natin ay a sub 1 is equals to 11, a sub n is equals to 31, n is equals to 6, at ang d po natin ay susolve po muna natin. A sub 6 equals to 11 plus 6 minus 1d. Ang a sub 6 po natin ay magiging 31. So, magiging pong 31 equals to 11 plus 6d minus 1d. 31 equals 11 plus 5d. Pinag-minus po natin yung 6d at 1d. 31 equals to 11 plus 5d is equals to 20 equals 5d. Divide po natin ang both side by 5. 5d divided by 5, cancel po yan. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, ang common difference po natin ay 4. Makukuha na po natin ng 4 term, yung apat na term po natin. Bali, magiging po siyang 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. Yun lang po.
Sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. Given an arithmetic sequence where a sub 1 is the first term and the a sub n is the n term, the sum of the first n terms is given by, so we have two different formulas. So first formula is that s sub n is n over to 2 a sub 1 plus to a sub n. So we use this formula when our a sub n is given. So we have our second formula is that s sub n is n over to 2 and 2 a sub 1 plus to parenthesis n minus 1 to d. So we use this formula when our a sub n is not given. So our first example here is find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. So for us to determine or what is our given, so first we have to look for a sub 1, our a sub n terms or the number of terms, and our common difference. So after we got our given, now we are going to solve for the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. So the formula we are going to use is that s sub n is n over to 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. So we are going to use this formula because our a sub n is given. So after we write our formula, we have to replace our given numbers from what we got. So a sub 1 is going to replace from 1, a sub n is going to 10, and terms 10, and the common difference is 1. So we are not going to use our common difference since the formula we are going to use is the formula when a sub n is given. So now we are going to solve. So 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. 1 plus 10 is 11. After we write our answers, our last is to multiply them. So 5 times 11 is equals to 55. So now we got our answer from the sum of the numbers from 1 to 10 is equals to 55. After we got our common difference, now we are going to solve for the 50th term now, before the sum. So again, we have to use the formula again, a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 to difference. So we are going to replace them again, but since we have our common difference now, we are going to include that now to look for our 50th term. So replace the given. So a sub 50 equals to 21 plus parenthesis 50 minus 1 equals to 7. So 50 minus 1 is 49. So after that, multiply the 49 to 7, which is our common difference. So 49 times 7 is 343. So after we multiply them, now we are going to add them. So 21 plus 343 is equals to 364. So our 50th term, or the a sub 50, is equals to 364. After we find our 50th term, so now we are going to solve for the sum. So the formula we are going to use is this, since our a sub n is given. So formula, so replace them, the given. So 50 divided by 2 is 25, and 21 plus 364 is 385. After we divide and add, next is we're going to multiply. So 25 times 385 is equals to 9,625. So the answer for find the sum of the first 50 term of the arithmetic sequence is equals to 9,625.